Good morning, students. Today we will be learning a new chapter. Chapter number 4, that is angles and pairs of angles. There are few questions for revision. Let us solve that. Write the name of angle shown alongside. Answer is angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B. Write the name of its vertex. The vertex is point B. Write name of its arms. Ray BA and ray BC. Write name of the points marked on its arm. Point A, point B, point C are marked on its arms. What is an interior of an angle? The point which lies in the interior side of the angle is known as interior of an angle. In this figure, we can see that point N, point M, point O, point T are the interior point. They are not on the arms nor outside the angle. What is an exterior of an angle? The point which lies outside of an angle are known as exterior of an angle. In the figure, we can see that the point G, point D, point S, point E are the exterior of an angle. The points are not on the arm nor in the interior side of an angle. Adjacent angle. The angle which has common arm and a common vertex is known as an adjacent angle. In the figure, MQ is the common arm and M is the common vertex. Therefore, the adjacent angles are angle BMQ and angle QMD. There is no common point in the interior of this angle. Complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. In figure, we can see that angle PQS and angle SQR. If we add both angles, their value is equal to 90. That is, angle PQS and angle SQR are complementary angles. In the next example, we can see that there are two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. The measure of angle ABC is 40 degree and the measure of angle PQR is 50 degree. If we add both the angles, that is angle ABC plus angle PQR, we get the answer as 90 degree. Therefore, they are complementary angles. Practice set 15. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Name of the points in the interior. We know that interior points are the points which lie inside an angle. So the answer is point R, point C, point N and point X. Name of the point in the exterior. We know that exterior points are the points which lie outside of the angle. So the answer is point T, point U, point Q, point V, point Y. Name the name of the points on the arms of angle. Points which are on the arms are point A, point W, point G, and point B. Next question. Name the pairs of adjacent angle in the figure given below. We know that adjacent angle has a common vertex and a common arm. From figure, we can see that common vertex is N and common arm is BN. So the answers are angle ANB and angle BNC. Angle BNC and angle CNA. Angle CNA and angle ANB. The next question. In the next figure, common vertex is Q and the common arm is PQ. Therefore, the adjacent angles are angle TQP and angle RQP. Next question. Are the following pairs of angles adjacent? Angle PMQ and angle RMQ are adjacent angles. They are adjacent because they have a common arm MQ and a common vertex M. Angle RMQ and angle SMR are not adjacent. Even though these angles have a common vertex and a common arm, they do not have a separate interiors, so they are not an adjacent angle. Angle RMS and angle RMT. These angles have a common vertex and have a common arm, but they do not have a separate interior, so they are not an adjacent angles. Angle SMT and angle RMS, they are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex M and a common arm MS. Therefore, they are an adjacent angles. Thank you.